full is good with y'all. I got another trade recap. I'll go over how I lost today. Lost 500 on the account. But overall, I'm not mad at anything I did today. Maybe a little bit. Maybe something I could have done better, but no rules are broken, so I'm chilling, if I'm going to be honest. So, let's go over it. First, coming off in the day, I was very bullish because just look at this chart. Boom, we're going to the moon. Ever since Trump won the election, we've just been going stupid. And you can expect that to continue, especially since we come into this 4 hour and then we close out of it. We're rejecting off of it. Also in this 1 hour, we go into it, we close above it. And you can expect it to continue. Although we do have this bearish imbalance that is kind of getting respected, you are anticipated to get inverse, especially if it gets inverse on ES. But it getting inverse on ES does cause an SMT, which you don't want to expect it to hold, because when you're trading, there's always things going against your direction. But that this SMT could be problematic. But let me go over it. So first we buy up, and then we shit the bed, inverse this imbalance. So once we shit the bed, we take out these lows, these lows, these lows. I was looking for an entry, especially since up to this point, ES didn't take nearly as much lows. See, this is where ES is at. So we have another bullish SMT on the internal, something like that. So I'm looking for entry. We inverse here, we inverse here. On the inverse, we create this imbalance, then we close above it. This was my entry, and I'm not mad at it at all. I was aiming for London high, but literally by this point, ES had already taken London high by a landslide. We took it off market open, which is why I say this SMT was a bit problematic. Seeing this did kind of concern me. So, and then not only that, we're just stalling. So I did close the trade early because I didn't like that. But then I re-entered because I was like, nah, I'm going to hold my trades. I want to get better at holding my trades. End up getting stopped out anyway, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at why I took the trade because, like I said, when you're trading, there's always going to be PD arrays that are against you. Like this 15 minute is getting respected. That's also within the 4 hour. This 15 minutes getting respected. That's also within the 4 hour. But when you're trading against these against them, you kind of just want to anticipate them to get inversed and anticipate the SMTs to not hold, because what else could you do? You know, there's always going to be something against your way. So it's not, I don't want to be discouraged by that. So I'm overall not mad at the trade I took today. It was within my overall bias. It's just the fact that ES was so high did concern me, and I guess for good reason, because I ended up getting stopped out, which sometimes makes me want to trade the higher pair, but it is what it is. But yeah, this is what I took.